What's up, YouTube? Today we are learning Harmony Hall by Vampire Weekend. You're going to need a capo of the 4th fret, and the whole thing is based off of 3 chords: a G, a C, and a D. Let's get started. My name is Brett Blakemore from Summit Guitar School. Please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. If you enjoy the video, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The link is in the description. Let's get started. So let's talk about the riff, which is what everybody's really wanting to learn here. We've got... does it again, and then it goes to riff B. We'll call that first one riff A. And it'll do that 2 times. It'll cycle through that through all the verses as well as the intro. So let's break this down note for note. We got to be able to do a hammer-ons and pull-offs here. So I'm going to use my middle finger, 3rd fret, 6th string, play that one, and then we're going to go open on the 5th string, and then we're going to hammer our index finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. So you got to go. And then you're going to do the same motion on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and then you're going to go same motion on the 3rd string, except for you're going to pluck open on the 3rd string, hammer on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, and then pull off. When you pull off, I like to let it snap out from underneath my finger, and my index finger kind of catches on the next string below. So hammer, 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 pull off, pluck, hammer, 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 pull off. And then you go, then you go, so then you do hammer, pull off, hammer, pull off, hammer, pull off, and then back to the 3rd fret, 6th string. So pluck, hammer, 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 pull off, and then you go pluck, hammer, 2nd fret, 3rd string, pull off, pluck, 4th string, hammer on the 2nd fret, pull off, pluck, 5th string, hammer, pull off, and then back to the 3rd fret, 6th string. So now if you slow down the video, it might help you a little bit, but if you take the riff really slow, you'll get this thing. So just like that. All right, so let's do riff B. So you're gonna go 3rd fret, 5th string, pluck the 4th, hammer to the 2nd fret, pluck the 3rd, hammer to the 2nd fret with my middle finger this time, and then we're gonna go pluck the 2nd, and we're gonna hammer the 1st fret. So we're gonna go, and then pull off, all right? And then you're gonna go pluck, hammer, pull off, pluck, hammer, pull off, pluck, hammer, pull off, and then back to that 3rd fret, 5th string. So pluck, 3rd fret, 5th string, 4th string, hammer with my middle finger, and then you're gonna go pluck 3rd string, hammer the 2nd fret with my middle finger, pluck the 2nd string, hammer the 1st fret, my 1st finger, and then pluck, hammer, pull off. Then 3rd string, pluck, hammer, pull off, pluck, hammer, pull off on the 4th, and then you're back at home base, which is this 3rd fret, 5th string. So okay, so let's talk about the chords we need for this song. Everything will be capoed relative to the capo. So we've got a capo at the 4th fret. We're gonna do a G, kind of a standard G. We're gonna put our middle finger, 3rd fret, 6th string, relative to the capo. 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 5th string. 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string. Pinky on the 3rd fret, 1st string. All right. And then we've got a C chord, standard C. 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 5th string. 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 4th string. 1st finger, 1st fret, 2nd string, strum from the 5th down, and then we've got the D chord, all right? The diagrams will be in there as well. So you've got to open on the 4th string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, index finger, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string, and then middle finger, 2nd fret, 1st string, strum from the 4th string down. We're gonna do chords G and C, and the strumming pattern is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Alright, so if I break that strumming pattern down slowly, I'll put the directions in the description below, but if I break it down, 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 up, down, 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 up. That pattern, again, will be for every strumming section of the song. Down, 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 up, down, down, on to the next chord. So now if we go to the pre-chorus, you're going to go to a D. The riff is definitely not happening here, so you will have to go to the strumming here. So it's D, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, C, down, down, up, down, 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 up, D, down, down, up, down, 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 up, C, down, down, up, down, 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 up, D, down, down, up, down, 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 up, C, down, down, up, down, 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 up, D, down, down, up, down, 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 up, C, down, down, up, down, 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 up. So you do D to C 4 times. All right, so your chorus is. So that pattern is same thing, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, C, down, down, up, down, 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 up, D, down, down, up, G, down, down, up, C, down, down, up, down, 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 up, D, down, down, up, G, down, down, up, C, down, down, up, down, 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 up, D, down, down, up, G, down, down, up, C, down, down, up, down, 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 up. And the chorus actually happens 4 times, and then the instrumental is the same chords, D, G, C. All right, so after the first chorus and the instrumental, it goes back to the main riff. The trick there is that it does riff A 1 time, and then it goes back into the full cycle for the verses. So, and then after that, then it starts the main sequence of the riff over and over again. Or like I said, you can go to just doing the strumming, which is just G for 2 measures and C for 2 measures. All right, guys, that's everything you need to learn Harmony Hall. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you did, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Once again, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The link is in the description. I'll see you guys next time.